Good morning, everyone. Today we're down here at the cabin. We call it Cabin Tuesday. Every Tuesday we try to come down bright and early and do a little bit of work out here to try to get this place back under control. So we thought we'd just give you a little bit of footage today on what we're trying to get done down here. Alright, Kevin has started this morning mowing, trying to slowly claim the yard back. It's kind of out of control since we've been gone for a couple years, so he's gotten this part over here, which is where the garage structure used to be, where we stored the tractor, and so he's gotten all that cleared out. We're going to have to cut a couple of those so we can finish mowing there. He had the sawmill right in here, so we had a lot of wood and stuff that we had to pick up, so that's where our trash pile has come in. Chicken coop is still looking good and standing. We've decided to go ahead and keep that and not tear it down, just in a case that we ever do have to come back down here. We've got that already ready to go. Of course, we have all of our goat pens that we fenced in. All of that's still standing. And then, of course, we got some random things here and there that when we left just didn't get stored. So we're slowly going through that stuff and getting it cleaned up and figuring out whether we want to keep it or not. Again, our lovely trash pile. And then the old cabin is over here. That's where I had rabbits. So we've got some stuff in there that's got to get cleaned up before we can mow. And then the chicken plucker is right back there. Kevin and I were talking about that last night, about getting a part 2, because he started part 1 and never had a part 2. We had several people ask, part 2, where's that? So eventually he will get that done for you guys. And I walked down to the garden, but it's still pretty grown up, so we can't really get down there. But the garden area is fenced off and it's back down there. This was our solar panel that we had. We had quite a few. You can go back in some of our previous videos and see what that looked like if you are new to our channel. And when we left, we took this whole system down, and a friend who is now living off-grid bought that from us. So we do not have that anymore, but we do have our small system that is up on the roof, and we are currently trying to charge that and get that back going. So we will have a little bit of power while we're down here, but it won't be, like we had before, of course. So, and then we had our well, but, and of course that's a mess over there as well, because our well went dry before we left, and the same friend that bought our solar panels bought our well pump and all that, and unfortunately we have quite a mess over there to clean up. So Kevin is over on the other side right now trying to clean up that area, if you can see him up there. And that's where his shop area was at, and a lot of tools and stuff. So he's just in the process of searching for a rake, I think is what he's actually looking for right now. What's that?
Chicken plucker.
Part of the chicken plucker? I was just talking about that. So yeah, so this is what we worked on today. We try to come down and get a couple bags of trash a day of just, stuff that didn't make it, unfortunately, and just trying to get this place cleaned up and ready to go for our for fall, for hunting season, because this is where we'll come and hang out with family and friends and do that. But yeah, that's where we're at down here right now. We have decided, like I said earlier, to dedicate Tuesdays to this process, so that way that we can not get burned out on it, but at the same time get something accomplished down here. So hopefully next week we'll move inside and start getting some stuff organized in there. It's basically what's inside is stuff from the outside that we needed to store, so there's just a lot of storage stuff in there right now, and it's kind of messy. So we're gonna work on getting that cleaned up, and hopefully we will be ready to spend some time down here soon. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the update, and if you have any questions, if you're new to the channel and have any questions about our previous experience down here, you can go watch some of our old videos, or you can just ask and we will try to answer. All right, guys, I hope y'all have a great afternoon, and we will see you in the next one.